For ages, the journey of the search for the new constitution has been a very long journey for the Kenyans indeed. People have been fighting each other, killing each other, for just getting the new document. This is the chance that we are all Kenyans have got the chance to vote for this new document. We are only hours away from the new constitution. But the question asking every resident of Kenya and Kibera in general, is this election going to be any different from the 2007 disputed election whereby people killed each other? That's the question we're going to ask.
I think this year's election is going to make a difference because there will be no chaos. And the people of Kenya have been waiting for the constitution since independence.
Kenyans have learned from the past experience of how the violence was, but they're not going to repeat it again. I think rigging is going to be reduced by a great number.
Kibera has been known as a place where people are deciding the political voting system. People are deciding who is going to be the president. Or if something goes wrong, they'll always go back to the putting of the railway tracks. But this year, it seems going to be a difference, since everybody in Kibera is working peacefully and waiting for the new constitution.
I think somehow it's going to be different because, as in, the big men are on the yes side, and most of the people, as in the majority, are going to vote yes. I think the votes are going to be submitted, as in before the end of the day, and I believe there's not going to be, as in the reading like the 2008 election.
Most of the people are claiming that this election is going to be very, very different from the 2007, simply because that we are not going to have rigging of the votes, people fighting each other, chaos. That's one thing that we like. I'm going to urge all Kenyans, no matter green or red, the only color I choose for you is white. Peace. Let's keep peace, maintain peace, that we can live a happy life in Kenya, make Kenya a better future for our future generations. KNN, I'm George Wawe.